National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois until 2:15 p.m. At 1:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Yorkville, moving east at 35
it has impacted
miles per
Yorkville.
hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Wheaton, Romeoville, Plainfield, Woodridge, Oswego, Homer Glen, Yorkville, Plano, Lisle, Darien, Montgomery,
The severe thunderstorm has impacted Yorkville.
This includes Aurora University, Benedictine University, and North Central College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather